A violent and fast-moving storm struck Rio Tercero on Friday evening, causing widespread destruction across the city in just a matter of minutes.
En el río Tercero. En vez de pasar más despacio, pasa despacio, nene. Que apúrate, nene. Bueno, gente.
Es literalmente un río de piedra. Una locura.
According to local reports and official statements, the severe weather system brought torrential rain, large hail, and powerful wind gusts. The storm began at approximately 7:10 p.m., delivering more than 42 millimeters of rain in just 15 minutes, with some areas receiving over 50 millimeters. Wind speeds reached up to 80 kilometers per hour, significantly increasing the impact of the storm. Residents described the event as sudden and intense, with hailstones rapidly covering streets, rooftops, and vehicles. Flooding quickly affected several neighborhoods, including Barrio Sarmiento, along Rio Dulce Street, where drainage systems were overwhelmed. Images and videos from the area show streets submerged in water, stranded vehicles, and thick layers of hail still present hours after the storm passed.
No, amiga, hasta acá llegué. Era un río. Estoy encerrado acá, o sea, no puedo salir de acá, no puedo cruzar para el otro lado.
Authorities confirmed multiple cases of fallen trees and utility poles, resulting in power outages in different parts of the city. Strong winds also caused roofs to be blown off homes and buildings, while debris scattered across roads made emergency response efforts more challenging.
No puedo ni avanzar nada. Bueno, gente, esto es Río Tercero, a una cuadra de lo que es la avenida que va a la plaza del centro. Esta es la avenida que va al centro de la plaza.
The municipality of Rio Tercero released an official statement urging residents to remain cautious, avoid heavily affected areas, and stay informed through official communication channels. Emergency teams and municipal workers are currently conducting damage assessments and assisting those affected. The storm also impacted nearby areas, with reports of hail in Pascanas, another locality in Córdoba.
Me viene el agua y la piedra, Río Tercero. Aquí está, porque no había piedra.
Experts suggest that extreme weather events like this may be linked to climate patterns such as El Niño, which can increase atmospheric instability across parts of South America. While such storms can help restore soil nutrients over time, they also pose serious risks to infrastructure, agriculture, and public safety.
Bueno, así está el patio. Miren la cantidad y la piedra. Y así quedó. Me limpió las plantas que tenía en el jardín. La cantidad
As recovery efforts continue, residents are dealing with the aftermath of one of the most intense storms to hit the region in recent times.
La cosecha de zapallo en el patio. No me quiero imaginar cómo deben estar. Pero bueno, contra la naturaleza no se puede.
11:30 de la mañana, mira lo que es acá, a 2 cuadras de casa.